Good morning, folks, and welcome to Pamela's Kitchen, brought to you by Barrel Age Creations, a 100% natural gourmet finishing sauce that is inspired by pure 100% maple, as well as sriracha and balsamic vinegar. These products can be used on a variety of different applications, from proteins to vegetables, desserts, cocktails, any way that your imagination inspires you. And all you need is just a tiny bit. A teaspoon or tablespoon is all you need to accent a dish of, like I said, proteins, vegetables, desserts, and drinks. So a bottle like this will last you up to a year and a half. It doesn't go bad. You can refrigerate it after opening, and it does not have a shelf life when it's not open. So again, product lasts you quite a long time, and it's quite a value as well. The opportunity to taste it is really what makes it unique, and we'd love for you to be able to taste it, but right now with social distancing, that's not available. But as soon as it is, we'd love you to come down to one of our events or to one of our retailers to be able to taste it and to see the unique application and that it can be utilized in, and the flavor notes that can be presented. Barrel Age Creations has been around for 5 years. It's a 100% cause-based business that donates proceeds to supplement Back to Basics outdoor Christian ministry, an outdoor ministry that operates in 11 states and Costa Rica. We take people out into the great outdoors and to help them to work on their relationships and fellowships with each other and also Jesus Christ. So we'd love you to come and see what we're doing there at Back to Basics outdoor Christian ministry. This product today is being featured from a retailer of ours called REinspired, which is located in Bradenton, Florida. They are taking online orders as well as call-in orders, and are offering curbside pickup during social distancing. So please go down and check them out. We'd love for you to incorporate this into your culinary creations. I'm going to bring up my lovely wife, Pamela, and she's going to show you how to utilize this product in one of her favorite ways, which is whipped coffee. Just 1 minute.
Hey guys, it's Pamela from Barrel Age Creations, and I'm gonna show you how to make a really simple whipped coffee that's perfect as a dessert drink. Now the variation I'm gonna show you is non-alcoholic, so it's family friendly, but it is gonna have a bourbon taste to it because we're gonna use our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup for a sweetener. Now, I did say this is super easy. You're only gonna use 4 ingredients. It's gonna be our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup, instant coffee, hot water, and then your choice of milk. Today I'm gonna use a non-dairy version, but if you like whole milk or something else, you can substitute that. The easiest thing to do is for the maple syrup, the water, and instant coffee, you're gonna use equal parts. So I've pre-warmed my water. I'm gonna put that in my mixing bowl now. I'm gonna do instant coffee. If you can't do caffeine, try a decaf version. And then this is our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. I'm gonna add that as well and just scoop it out of there. I'm gonna get every last drop of it. Okay. Now, if you're feeling up to it and want some exercise, you can use a hand mixer. Just whisk it together. I'm going to use an electric one and set it on low. This is going to take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to whisk it up. If you want it a little bit thicker, you can mix it a little bit longer, just until the thickness you like. Okay, so we're almost done whipping here. I have it to where it's just before a hard peak. Give it a couple seconds and I'll show you. Get those beaters out of there. Might want to save those for later though. Okay, so here is the topping for the whipped coffee. Now you can beat it a little longer, but we have a pretty good peak there. If you don't want it that thick, you can just beat it for 3 minutes. Now the next thing we're gonna do is take your favorite glass, put some ice in it, and we're gonna add our milk of choice. Today we're doing almond milk, but regular whole milk or skim milk will work just as well. Fill your cup about halfway, And then we're just gonna scoop our whipped coffee mixture right over the top. Now, I didn't give you exact amounts, but for 1 cup, you're gonna use about 1 tablespoon of water, the bourbon maple, and the coffee. And this should make about 1 cup. If you wanna go an extra cup, just double your recipe. Now we'll mix it up a little bit and enjoy a drink. That's delicious.